Alright, let's talk about the iPhone 17 Pro, because this one feels different. And not in the usual slightly faster, slightly shinier kind of way. No, Apple is finally doing something bold. They're giving the iPhone a brand new look. And here's the twist. It looks a lot like Google's Pixel 10. Now that's wild, right? For years, Apple has been the company that set the trend, while everyone else tried to catch up. But this time, it looks like Apple is taking a page straight out of Google's playbook. And honestly, I think it's a smart move. Here's the thing. The iPhone hasn't really changed its look since 2017. That's 8 years of basically the same design. No wonder people joke online about the iPhone being stuck on repeat. And last year didn't help either. Apple pushed the iPhone 16 with unfinished AI features, hyped them up, and then half of them weren't even ready. People felt let down. So now, Apple's switching gears. Instead of doubling down on AI buzzwords, they're focusing on what customers have actually been asking for, a phone that feels new again. And that's where the Pixel comes in. Say what you want about Google's phones, but the Pixel has one thing going for it: identity. That horizontal camera bar makes it instantly recognizable. Even if Pixel sales aren't massive, the design works, and people notice. In fact, a growing number of Pixel buyers are former iPhone users. That's a trend Apple can't ignore. So what's Apple doing? They're not letting Google win that style battle. The iPhone 17 Pro is rumored to bring in that same horizontal camera look, but with Apple's signature polish. Basically, Apple's saying, why switch to Pixel for something different? You can stay right here and get the fresh design you've been waiting for. Now, here's where Apple has the edge. Pixels still struggle with weaker chips and AI features that sound great on paper, but don't always deliver. Apple, on the other hand, already has the performance, the ecosystem, and the reliability locked in. So if they nail the design, the iPhone 17 Pro could end up being the perfect mix of bold and dependable. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.